Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Triple video today. Yes, 3 videos in one day. Second video, I'm going to explain to you a little better why. I'm going to talk about TikTokers. This won't be a long video. I'm going to try to get my point across as quick as possible. The Irie Saxon somehow managed to make TikTok a place that was originally some little short video clips and fun and with picnic deal and them something there. Platform for picnic and them thing there. The Irie Saxons have turned TikTok into a killing field. Anything them touch disintegrate. TikTok, you know. I'm going to show now a video, and probably see it by now. People just send me the video. I don't know who originally the screenshot or whatever. You see, I can name it on screen. Just in case people want to get emotional over where video come from. I'm going to just play the video. You probably see it already. But I'm going to show the end. I'm just going to look a small part there. Just showing this already TikTok. This I go on pan. But TikTok, you know. Something will start out as them claims say harmless fun and games and that are before Irie Saxons run in. Me notice the Yankee Saxon and the Irie Saxon is very similar. You notice? Similar culture, similar mindset. I'm telling you it's the same thing. Whatever apply to the Irie Saxon apply to the Yankee Saxon, and the history of the two of them is similar too. Think a coincidence? But them things are regular upon Yankee Saxon side of things. And the man kill man on Facebook live, Instagram live, all kind of shit. Man dead up and he talk to him phone. Alright, pull up then. How man so and so block, pull up, and bring your whole I put that on gang, Lord. Next thing you hear, dead. It happened live, you can watch it back. You can watch it in a real time go down. That the Irie Saxon and the pan too. Check out the video.
Not talk. Only a doctor can pronounce a man dead.
I'll if you're 14 and you look for me, if I was big man, you can get gunshot.
Well, all you, me not care if you are 9. Gunshot in your blood clot. Let's go.
Sounds like a waste. I sabla my fool come from, you know, a lie.
No. Now deal with country badness. Me live close to you, motherfucker. See? You now run the file. And you say you a killer.
Never tell her that.
Now, the brother on the left is an AI them I use. Or them use AI to cover up certain things. But on the AI, the body of the TikToker we did, and the AI, real life that. But just want to know how the man them turn TikTok in a killing field. TikTok. Whoever gave these Irie Saxons the internet need to take it back. Make Irie man go back to the days of lampshade and kerosene stove. Right now, two of the thing look, Irie man have to go back to the Stone Age. Irie manians have to go back to lampshade and kerosene stove. I know say no found the what am I talking about? Kerosene stove? You probably no born come see them something. We have to go back to the lampshade. Look a pretty squiggle lamp on it, and that's the thing there. Home sweet home. And that we have to go back to them. We have to just take our internet from the Irie Saxons. Check with the internet from the Irie Saxons. No make them say nothing work. Just cut off Irie Saxons and the rest of the world. This is what have to come to. That is what have to come to. I mean, I don't mean it literally. I know no people about it. Because I know some idiot on their back. We are choice, so we don't forget internet too. I'm just saying, there's a time when Jamaicans never have nothing but one lampshade and one chimney. And they could have lived in peace. Jamaica was never originally known as the murder capital. Port Royal was known as a wicked place, but Port Royal was full of foreigners. It was the foreigners who made Port Royal the wickedest place on earth, not Irie. It was guy from Europe who did base in a Port Royal, who make Port Royal the wickedest place in the world, Jamaica, the evidence, the data show you Jamaica was never no murderous place like that. Jamaica had a murder rate lower than enough developed countries. When time them have lampshade and them sitting there. So that we're going back to right now. Personal stove, wood fire. Wood fire. Irie Saxon man, learn to sharpen up your cutlass with file. Wood fire we have to go back to. Cause this internet thing now work out. It now work out. Man I say, well, look YouTube, but we now can't hear you again. If you're not on the internet, well, so be it. That's a price worth paying. To make Irie man a better place. Because Irie Saxons can't get access to the internet. The man them turn TikTok in a killing field. TikTok. Something that was originally about some little skits and some little jokes. But wait until the Irie Saxon get their hand on that. People are so destructive. No matter how innocent. No matter how harmless. Guy, this is what I'm telling you. Say people don't understand how the culture work. Because even in real life, you hear a man tell them build community play field. Play field where everybody go play ball and shoot hoops and sitting. And as play field don't make a man lay down on it dead. Man I start use the play field like a battleground. To settle them differences. When I tell you, hey boy, meet me a play field by 3 o'clock, I come lick in your face. The sitting would originally make up for be, you know, something harmless and fun, you know. Man turn that in the Colosseum. Man turn that in one spot for the gladiators. Man, hey boy, meet me a ball field. 4 o'clock, I come bust a piece of your face. Arrgh! And the ball field make for have peace and unity, you know. The ball field make. So that there is peace. The ball field make for foster peace between the two communities. And I'm gonna use it as a battleground. It has to be studied. The Irie Saxon chip. Where either them people your brain have to get studied. Me don't know who program it, but it needs to be reprogrammed. You can build a nursery home and then turn that in a sitting acidic and destructive. No matter where you come up with Irie Saxons find a way to turn that in a death and destruction. No matter where you come up with, you could find a pill that can cure cancer. And Irie Saxons will take the pill and sprinkle something upon it to kill off every cancer patient. Kill them off early. And a cure the something make for cure. It has to be studied. TikTok, guy, don't ask me what your favorite TikToker and what go down and who do this and who do that. I'm looking at the bigger picture. All these people are so acidic. That's them take the most harmless of sitting. And still find a way to help. Perry's bingo. Right now, our next $2 million package just book. Right now, the TikToker family there. I plan the 1 day and the 3 day, the 5 day, the 7 day, the 9 day. Be a balloon I buy. Don't a shopper ask, give me the biggest balloon package I've got and Lego some balloon at the sky. Ironmanians can't wait for smart day and get excited. After the initial fake quote unquote morning, then get excited. Alright, see suit ya. Yeah, suit ya go mad. Yeah, nobody else now have this now. Yo, wait till me roll up in the funeral and this man, the place I go shut down. Place I go shut down, you see me I say dog. So we deal with it, man. TikTok, you know. You can't have nothing, you can't even have fun anymore. I tell you already about these Irie Saxons. Their acidic mentality. Anywhere there's more than 4, somebody going dead for sure. TikTok. What next? What next? Them Irie Saxons, I will take anything and turn it upside down. TikTok, you know. TikTok. TikTok how much pitney live on every day. That the man then turn a killing field. The Irie Saxon chip has to be studied. Has to be reprogrammed. Tisserwood, whatever chip you put in them brain. We make them so destructive. Reprogram it. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.